welcome to my channel. My name is Miss Yana, and today I am doing a Shein haul. I think I got around like 28 pieces. I'm not like fully sure if it was 28 or not. I do want to give you guys like some measurements and stuff, because I know for reference when I'm looking at other girls' videos, I like to know like their sizing and stuff to see like, okay, maybe I can wear it how she wearing it. Most of everything will be a medium, but I will put sizing on the screen for every outfit. For my breast, I am a 36 double D. My girls are big, okay. Hip size, I am around a 42, I believe. And then my waist, I am, I think 23, somewhere in there, 22, 23. I do weigh 153 pounds at the moment. That will change. Let's jump into the video. Let's not just waste time talking. Okay, so first things first, I like to get into accessories. I am a accessory girl, so I picked up some stuff. I saw this cute choker. It looks like a charm bracelet, but it's a necklace. It's so cute, and it goes around the neck like this. Hold on, let me go put it on. Okay, y'all, so this is what it looks like. I love this so much. I feel like because I love charm bracelets is why I love this as a choker. It's so cute. Like, if you think this not cute, you're bugging. Cute. I'm trying to get good lighting so you guys can really get the details. What's it giving? Do you guys like it? Do you guys like this piece? I'm in love. I love it. This is the next piece. Across, let's focus. First of all, I love the design. It has pearls on it and it is gold, and then the necklace part is like kind of giving like yarn a little bit. I know this was a trend, I probably missed it, but I still love it. It's so pretty, and I would probably wear it just like this. And of course you can always layer your jewelry, so this is something that I feel like could get layered, but it doesn't feel too cheap. It feels like something that I could probably have in my jewelry collection for a long time. But I got these clips that I be seeing all the girls with, but I had to get pink, of course. I think I'm gonna get get a focus. I think I'm gonna get some white ones as well. Okay, so it just go like that. Put it on when you're doing your makeup. Put it on like that. Real cute and convenient. They're not like really bulky or anything like that. When it came in this, I'm probably the clumsiest person you'll ever meet. 10 came in these, and yeah. Now let's get into clothes. We're starting off with gym right now. I've been in the gym, so this is Gymwear. This is just a bodysuit with the back out crisscross, and I really love the crisscross. I think it's so flattering. The only thing about this is that my boobs are so big that I do like a crazy workout, one of them is probably gonna fall out. Everything else is good. It's tight right here on my waist, and even on this back part right here, it's tight on my waist. So that's why I would probably give this a 9. Maybe if I wore it more up like this. But I can still go to the gym with this. Material is so good, not itchy. Let's get another. And I also got this in another color. Let's go get it. Okay, so this is the same one. It is just in pink. I put my boobs in a little bit more instead of like sitting a little bit up. But you could do either one. Oh, another thing, make sure you are wearing probably like a thong or some panties with this, because the camo is showing, and if the girl is hairy, everybody gonna see it. The back looks really good. I don't see any cellulite, and I know I have a lot of it. Let me see. Oh, I see some. I see a little bit. So I might wear like some seamless panties with it, or maybe not, because I really don't care. Okay, I'm human. Really cute, and it's pink. It's been like in this pink era where like everything gotta be pink. Pink wallet, pink car, a bag, everything pink. You know. Let me stop. Okay, next. Okay guys, so we're still in the gym category. This piece came with 3 pieces. Let me show you guys the other 2. It came with gray, and whatever color this is, it kind of looks like tan. I'm gonna try those on in a minute for you. And then I also got black, of course. I told you guys I am a 36 double D, so the girls are, they're all right. They're all right. They're not too bad. I would want them up here, but they're not too bad. But the quality of the shirt is really good. Ignore my deodorant stains if you see them, but it's really cute. I'm probably gonna wear this one tomorrow to the gym. And then I have these pants. So these pants are a little different. So they have this V to them, if you can see. So on the picture, I saw the girl wearing the V on the behind. So I ordered these in black, and I wore the black ones already. I wore the back ones with the V towards the back, and honestly it was not very comfortable, but I don't know, to each their own. Like, y'all may like that or whatever, but I didn't like it, so I put the V in the front. These are regular leggings. They are not like super thick. Like, I can compare the quality to my Amazon leggings. My Amazon leggings are extremely thick. These aren't like that, but I really do like that they're not that thick, because they're like easier to put on. You know, I can do more without them being so thick. But nonetheless, the quality is still amazing, so I am excited to wear these. I wish they were kind of maybe like a little bit tighter. Maybe I should have got like a bigger size, I mean a smaller size. These tops came in a set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The thing that I like about the shirt, really fast before I show you the other colors, is this, like the strapping or whatever. Do I need a bra? Yes. Am I gonna put one on? Probably not today, because I just don't feel like it. Like, I'm in the comfort of my own home. Like, no. It's really cute. It'd be even better with a bra. See, I think, yeah, they are a little bit see-through, so I'm gonna have to cover this up a lot. I don't know if I got this in a medium or a small. It'll be on the screen, but if I was to get this again and I did get it in a medium, I will definitely get this in a small. I'm still gonna keep them. I'm not going to ship them back. I still like it, and my bra strap will be covered with this anyway, so I don't hate it. This is the back. So I'm gonna try on the other colors for you guys really, really fast. Next is this black corset. I just put this on for the first time, and it actually wasn't that hard, and I was able to tighten the back myself. Of course, I'll have to, you know, wrap this, but I was able to tighten it myself, so I really like that. I think this is so cute. I am more of a corset girl because obviously, you know, I have a bigger chest, so it just goes right with me. I mean, it goes right with smaller girls too, but I just really fancy it for myself. This is what it looks like. The design, it has black flowers on it, and it's really, really giving. Like, I really, really like this. And it's holding the girls up with just this neck piece, so it's just hanging around my neck, and that's how it's holding the girls. I kind of wish that this part maybe was a little bit more tighter, but I like it. This is a 9 for me. If we're doing a rating, I would rate this a 9, only because I don't know, I just feel like I would want this a little tighter around my waist. Nonetheless, it is gorgeous, it is pretty, it is her, it is everything, and I cannot wait to put a fit together with this lovely, lovely piece. Okay, so the question is, do you guys like this one or the black one? Because this one is eating too. I'm not going to lie to you. This one is eating too. You know, like I said, I'm holding the strings because I like it really tight, and I'm gonna need somebody to tie the back. So what do you guys think about the tan and black one? Let's give a close up with the black flowers. I definitely have an outfit that's going to eat down with this. I'm thinking like fishnets or something, like something giving sex. I'm just saying. But like I said, with this bottom, I don't really like the bottom, but it's just gonna have to do. I think this is so cute. It's definitely giving that girl. Like, you cannot tell me it's not. Like, what? This is so cute. I honestly might get this tailored in, but is it that necessary? Maybe somebody can, when you tying it in the back, tie it as tight as possible. I'm not sure, but it honestly looks good like this too. Oh my gosh, I am in love with these two corsets. I will definitely buy more. They say if you like it, you need to get it in every color. Is that what they say? I don't know. That's what I said. So tell me what you guys think about the black one or this one. Which one is your favorite? I don't know. I like both of them, so this is kind of hard for me. Okay, so we're moving on to the last bit of the shirts. So this is like a lime green top. I think it's cute. No shoulder action, one shoulder action. I think it's really cute. I did get this in a size large. I put on some black shorts with it, so don't really mind that. You guys think about this shirt? I think that it's cute. It's gonna look even better with a bra on. And this is like a cute, maybe like dinner, date night, business. You do anything with this really. I'm not big on colors, so this is very new for me. I'm trying to step out of my comfort zone in 2024 and try new things. So the color scheme is insane. But with the large, I see that I will need a bra, but it is very comfortable and it is not tight. So I do like that it is not tight. Sometimes you don't want to be tight all the time. Sometimes you just want to breathe. So okay, so this is the yellow one. It is a bit tighter, which I'm not mad at. The large one was kind of on the larger side. I like the more fitted that the yellow one is, and it is supporting the girls a lot more, but I am still gonna wear like a tube top bra with it. But I'm loving the yellow. I may exchange the green one for a medium instead of a large. I'm not sure. I do like both of the fits, but I really like how this one is really like, I don't know, it's just catering to my figure a lot more than the green one. So I'm definitely feeling this one more. I don't know, this is just giving like, let's go out and be pretty at girls. So I really like this yellow one. You guys tell me which one you like more. Do you like the green or do you like the yellow? I don't know, guys. I'm feeling the yellow, I'm not gonna lie. So I definitely prefer the size medium over the size large in this shirt. So you still have the one shoulder going on, which is so cute. One shoulder action. Okay guys, so this is almost the last item, which is this skirt. This silver, what is the sequins? Let me make sure. Yeah, I was right. So it is this skirt right here. It is cute. It is a little short, just a little bit. Like if I bend over, yeah, you're gonna see everything. So but this is a really cute skirt. I even got this skirt in pink, so I really loved it on the girl that I seen modeling it. So I was like, let me try it. So yeah, I tried it and I like it. I'm probably gonna wear this to the Nicki Minaj concert. I'm not sure. Really cute. Sparkly and shiny. This is really a piece where people are going to be looking at you, so you gotta make sure you look good, girl. You gotta make sure you look good. But it's cute. I don't know if I'll necessarily wear it with this, but this isn't a bad piece to go with it. But tell me what you guys think. So unfortunately I did buy this dress, but I cannot fit it over my shoulders or over my hips. So I'm really sad about this because I thought it was gonna be really pretty on me. I'm not really like a dress girl, but I really wanted to try something of the sort, and I'm really sad, but I'm gonna keep it. I'm not gonna send this back because I am on a weight loss journey. So this will be my prize. Hold on, you got a zipper on the side, y'all. Why ain't it? I didn't see that. Hold on, I'm gonna see if I can try this on. Y'all, I don't know, this is kind of a no for me. I really don't do the dresses. And then like, it's extremely tight up here in the goodies. I don't even remember what size I got, but I got boobs down here, honey. Down here. Like, it's a lot. I like the idea that I had in my head. The dress is still pretty, but I think maybe if I got a bigger size, I'm still going to have this for when I lose weight. This will be the dress I try on when I'm down like 20 pounds. Really love it. I just probably would love it on a slimmer me. Hey y'all, so that is it for my Shein try-on haul. I hope you guys liked this video, and make sure you give me some feedback on the video. Tell me which items were your favorite, which ones you liked the best on me, and which ones you were thinking about buying. All the links are going to be in the description box. Thank you so much for watching and tuning in. I'm about to take this makeup off, take these pants off, and go to bed. So make sure you give me a like, a thumbs up, and tell me if you want to see more hauls from me. Thank you so much for watching.